This is SpeedyBee Bluetooth adapter. I've just built it. All you need to do is just solder two joints here, that's it, and then shrink wrap going on top of it. So let's test it. I've got my stinging prawn here, and then apparently it's taking 6 to 30 volts. Okay, plug it. It's working. Then plug it into USB on my quad. Then to have motors, you plug in battery as well, but we'll do it in a minute. So now we'll go to app. Go to app. Bluetooth. First one. Okay. Got SpeedyBee app. And as you can see, moving quad, and it's moving properly. So to have radio control, you should connect battery to your quad as well. So I've got, if I'll go to app, to radio system, I should be able to see all controls. Check it, yeah, everything looks alright. Yeah, all my switches. Of course you can arm it, that's why I've got props off. And then you've got all kinds of different settings, so you can change everything what you want, exactly as in BetaFlight. Looks awesome, and I'll test it on field very soon. Thanks for watching.